Good morning, Patriots. My name's Alex,
I'm Nick.
and this is your Patriot Prime.
Attention all freshmen. Check your Outlook email for information about running for your class of 2024 office. An informational meeting will be held Tuesday, September 8th and Wednesday, September 9th at a lunch Zoom meeting. Elections will take place on Wednesday, September 16th at the end of a second period during a special election webinar. Contact Ms. Bankary for the lunch meeting Zoom code or to answer any questions.
HHS will continue to have university college admission workshops this year. They will just be virtual. Visit the HHS and College Career webpage calendar to see who will be visiting. Currently, we have University of Pacific, a UC Campus Week, and GCU.
Sustainable Leaders in Action, the youth leadership branch of Sustainable Contra Costa, is striving to uplift and cultivate a network of next-generation environmental activists and provide Contra Costa youth with opportunities for professional development and collaboration. To accomplish this goal, our team has created an interactive virtual panel via Zoom. Join us September 8th from 7 to 8:30 p.m.
Scholarship opportunity for girls between the ages of 14 and 18 who are actively involved in community service. The award is named after Violet Richardson, the president of the first Seroptimus Club in Alameda County in 1921. Seroptimus established this award to honor the memory of this unique woman and her dedication to volunteer action. Students can find the application in the College and Career Scholarship webpage.
Work permits are available on the HHS College and Career website. Students can download this application once the student, employer, and guardian sections are completed.
Seniors, need help with your UC application or personal insight question? The UC has several virtual webinars that will provide you some guidance. You can find more details on the College and Career University of California webpage.
Juniors, the PSAT and NMSQT has not been scheduled for this year. Heritage High School, along with the district, is in the process of finalizing details and a possible test date. Please check the HHS College and Career website page for updates.
That is your Patriot Prime. I'm Alex.
I'm Nick. And for our final segment, we're going to go to low-key history. Take it away, Amber.
Hello everyone, welcome back to school. Well, sort of school, and this is sort of Patriot Prime. With COVID causing a new wave of trial and error through the school year, we at LG 107 are trying to keep some normalness to our lives. And hey, at least we're not living during the Black Plague. And that actually leads us to our first subject today, and hopefully by the end of it, we'll feel a little more lucky. The Black Plague, or known as the Great Morality, was a sickness that spread through Europe, Asia, and Africa. The disease originally started by fleas carried by rats, but rats got the blame. And yeah, I didn't have to do any research for that part. Thank you, Ratatouille Extra DVD features. The plague lasted for 500 years. Yeah, I don't feel so bad about staying inside for 6 months now. Luckily, in our age, we are blessed to have inventions such as hand sanitizers and cleaning products and masks. But back then, they were lucky enough just to bathe once a week. Yuck. And if you were to even show a little Victorian boy hand sanitizer, he'd probably have a heart attack. We may not be living during a 500-year plague in England, but it's still important to do our part and stay clean. Don't forget to wash your hands, keep good hygiene, and social distance. And that's all I have for today. Tune in next week when we talk about the Monopoly hand sanitizer business.